Welcome to today's review on the MSI Cyborg A15 144Hz thin and light gaming laptop. This laptop is an absolute powerhouse wrapped in a sleek, portable design that makes both gaming and productivity effortless and stylish. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in description below to get this gaming laptop at the best price in the market. The Cyborg A15 AI features a cutting-edge AMD Ryzen 7 260 processor, which is engineered to handle everything from multitasking and content creation to demanding AAA games with smooth responsiveness, meaning you never have to compromise performance whether you're studying, working, or gaming. Paired with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 graphics card, this machine brings AI-accelerated performance and DLSS support, which enhances your gaming visuals and frame rates without stressing the system, delivering immersive experiences on shooters, RPGs, and fast-paced action games alike. The 16 GB of high-speed DDR5 memory ensures lightning-fast multitasking, letting you switch between multiple applications, browsers, or creative software without any noticeable lag. Storage is no issue with the massive 1TB SSD, which offers not only plenty of space for games, media, and work files, but also extremely quick boot and load times, drastically reducing waiting periods and keeping you productive. One of the highlights of the Cyborg A15 is its 15.6-inch Full HD display with a 144Hz refresh rate, which guarantees buttery-smooth visuals, minimal motion blur, and crisp details during high-speed gameplay, making every gaming session fluid and immersive. The laptop also comes with MSI's signature translucent backlit keyboard, which is visually striking while providing excellent key visibility in low-light environments, perfect for long nights of gaming or late-night assignments. Portability is another strong point. Weighing just around 4.3 pounds and featuring a slim chassis, this laptop is incredibly easy to carry between home, school, work, or gaming setups, making it ideal for users who want power without sacrificing mobility. Connectivity is future-proofed with Wi-Fi 6E, which offers faster speeds and lower latency for online gaming, video streaming, and cloud-based work, ensuring that your connection keeps up with your productivity and gaming needs. Windows 11 comes pre-installed, providing a modern and intuitive interface with all the latest updates, security features, and Microsoft ecosystem integration for both personal and professional use. Beyond raw performance, the laptop maintains a good balance between thermal management and noise, staying relatively cool and quiet even under heavy workloads. Although gaming at ultra settings for extended periods may produce noticeable fan noise, which is typical for thin, high-performance gaming laptops. Build quality is solid, with a robust chassis that feels premium yet lightweight, although it's still recommended to carry it carefully to avoid scratches or dings. The design is both stylish and functional, blending gamer aesthetics with professional subtlety, which makes it suitable for classroom or office use without looking out of place. Battery life is decent for a gaming laptop in this class, offering enough juice for casual work, media consumption, or light gaming on the go, but high-performance gaming sessions will obviously drain the battery faster, so plugging in is ideal for extended gameplay. Overall, the MSI Cyborg A15 AI 15.6-inch FHD 144Hz gaming laptop delivers an exceptional combination of performance, portability, and style. From the powerful Ryzen 7 CPU to the RTX 5060 GPU, ultra-fast DDR5 memory, massive SSD storage, high refresh display, and sleek design, it provides an all-around experience for gamers, students, and professionals alike. While no device is perfect, and battery life or fan noise under heavy loads might be minor considerations, the pros far outweigh any cons, making this laptop a standout choice in its price range. For anyone who wants a reliable, high-performance, and visually appealing laptop that handles gaming, productivity, and creative work without compromise, this is a compelling option. Don't miss out on experiencing the full capabilities of the MSI Cyborg A15 AI. And make sure to click the link in the description below to grab this gaming laptop at the best price in the market today, so you can enjoy high-speed gaming, smooth multitasking, and powerful performance wherever you go.